But then there's a problem. There are reviewers out there who expect authors or potential authors to write papers the way they want it. So this is one of the emerging issues in the peer review process. Peer reviewers that believe papers has to be written in a certain way, and that only that way that they understand it. Now, I don't plan to be one of them. I'm not one of them. I look for the specific structure, generic structure that should be there, and try to see how authors have been able to navigate, manipulate, adapt, and present it. But yes, there are some of you who, whenever you see a document, whenever you see a manuscript, if it's not the way you want it, you don't accept it, or you simply reject it. I just want to say one thing about this. It's important we understand that a manuscript can have various forms, just like human beings, and can be written in various ways. And so, as a reviewer, it's important that you always remember the document is not your own. It is the author's document. It is the author's manuscript. They are writing it for the whole world. They're not writing it for you only. Your job as a reviewer is to look at the knowledge base and ensure that it is correct. Look at the structure. If it interferes with that knowledge base, you ensure that it's corrected. There is always an editor who is there to ensure that the document fits into the scope, structure, and expectation of the readership of their journals. So please, reviewers, let's get away from this idea that when we receive a paper, we must turn it to become our own paper, rather than the paper submitted by someone else. But if you get a reviewer who insists, what do you do as an author? You're going to have to make a choice. Do you want to continue moving on along with the reviewer, or do you want to report to the editor of the journal to call the editor's attention to your experience with the reviewer? Or you want to withdraw, or keep contesting the situation? Withdrawal is possible. Even in the journal where I happen to be the co-editor-in-chief, the Land Use Policy Journal, I have 2 to 3 withdrawn papers. I've been rejected half of the time, as much as if I've been accepted, it's probably about 4 or 5 times. If I've been rejected, it's about 6 times.